Scotland in the last hour or so. In fact, quite a distinct line of them at the moment, trundling their way northwards just up here through the central lowlands of Scotland, and a few clusters of thunderstorms further south across Britain as well. Certainly lots of rain showing up on the radar, most of it in the form of showers, but a distinct area of very wet weather still working its way up north and westwards across Scotland, and that little line of thunderstorms following on behind. So some really wet weather to come up here within the next few hours, and those showers, they're moving around as well. In fact, the whole system is an area of showery rain moving around this low pressure centre. It's not going to be far away at all in the next few days. Certainly tonight, the heavy rain moving northwestwards across Scotland in this evening period really, and a chance of some showers and rain moving through Wales and down across the southern areas of England. By the early hours of the morning though, although it'll still be very wet across the Northern Isles, mostly the showers around these western and southern coastal areas and the nearby regions. Further inland, dry and clear certainly, but turning increasingly misty, particularly from the Midlands northwards. There could be some quite dense patches of fog in a few places, and in one or two spots in Scotland perhaps chilly enough for a touch of ground frost. No problems with low temperatures across southern areas of England. Here instead a really strengthening wind with gales in the Channel area by the end of the night. In fact, on the southern edge of this low pressure area we are expecting some windy weather to come in for most parts of the country during tomorrow. It looks like being an altogether blustery sort of day. And once the early mist has cleared away, many eastern regions will in fact have a fairly fine morning with some sunshine, much like today for many. And then later on, as we head in towards the afternoon, we'll see the showers bursting to life in almost any area. Some could be heavy. We're going to expect hail and maybe thunder yet again in a few places. But later on towards the very end of the day, I think if anything, some of these southern counties, particularly down in the southwest, may start to see some of the showers becoming much lighter, and there may even be fewer of them around by the end of the day. The winds will be increasing, getting slowly windier from a west or southwesterly direction. By the end of the day, brisk conditions right across up into Northern Ireland and southern Scotland. There's a look at those winds and making it feel a bit on the cool side, even cooler than today. As for the weekend, overnight and into Saturday morning, some wet weather transferring across southern Britain. Then it's back to the sunshine and the showers and blustery